everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to write March in calligraphy style. So don't skip any step. Now grab your tools and let's get started. First at all, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for daily updates. These are the tools I'll be using. First one is permanent marker in black color. Second one is a pointer in black color. Third one is an HB pencil. Fourth one is an eraser. And fifth one is the three colors I have grabbed from the box. Brands are not compulsory for you. Step 1. First at all, I have already drawn a line on the page. Now I am using HB pencil and draw the alphabet slightly. Now I am drawing some creative things around these words.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are?
Now first step is done. Moving on second step. In this step, I am using simple black pointer and outline the whole drawing. Now using eraser and remove all the pencil lines. Now second step is also completed. Moving on third step. In this step I am using black permanent marker and color the word March. Now I am using black pointer and outline it again because some places are too small, so I have not colored it with black marker. Now third step is also done. Moving on fourth step. In this step I am using again black pointer and outline the little flowers again and make them thick. Also make some lines in it. Do the same thing with others. Now fourth step is done. Moving on fifth step. In this step I have removing these tapes and using a plain paper put it below the drawing. And now using scale and make border with black permanent marker. Now I am using these two colors for some shading. Use dark green color and color the first corner. Also second one. Also third one. And also the last one. Now using parrot red color and color the first corner. Also second one. Also third one. And finally last one. Now I am using white pencil and merge both colors. Now again green color and add some shade in parrot color. Again merge it. Again green color and color the upper part with pressure. Again merge it. Use same techniques with all the corners. Now again bordered it. Finally it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.